Welcome to the Setting Up to Capture Data Devices video. As with other setup, the setup of devices is done in the Administrator window. Devices in WinSPC are data sources. Setting up a device means setting up WinSPC to capture data from a source. To set up a device, click the New Device button, supply a name for the device, double-click the device, select a device type, Microsoft Excel file, for example, and configure the settings that are presented. In the case of the Excel device, this typically involves browsing to and selecting the Excel file, clicking the Mask tab, getting readings from the Excel file, and configuring a location, which details where, in the file, the values to be captured will be found. To configure a location, you click the Add Location button, pick a location type, Data to capture data values from the Excel file, or Tag to capture traceability details in the form of tags, name the location, and specify the column and start row for the values. Once the device is set up, you link it to a variable in a collection plan. To do this, open the collection plan, ensure the variable that is to receive data from the device is selected, browse to and choose the device, and ensure the appropriate location is selected if the device uses locations. Then repeat these steps on the Tag Options tab if you also want to capture tag values from the device. Finally, if desired, you can use this Timed Data Collection tab to prompt the device on an automated timer, or this Collection Plan Options tab to specify a prompt key. Prompt keys permit shop floor personnel to prompt a device for data. To verify your device setup is correct, you can right-click your collection plan, choose Data Collection, and depending on your setup, either press your prompt key or wait for the device to be automatically prompted on a timer.